Alia, what are you doing?
I'm playing a puzzle.
Do you like playing with puzzles?
Yes. What goes right here?
I don't know. Where do you think that goes?
Right here.
Maybe. Why don't you try another piece?
This one.
Pretty good. Candor, what are you doing? Candor, what are you doing? It's a screwdriver?
Yeah. And playing and puzzle.
Yeah.
This one goes right here.
I think it does. Good job. You have one. Soon. You have one more piece. Put one more piece in the puzzle, Alia.
I can see Aya.
You did a good job. All right. Say bye-bye.
I can see Aya.
Say bye-bye.